guys, and running Sir Jake. Got the Catman mini here, 1142. We're going to go live. We are live. 1142, 1142. Grab the list. 40 spots. Top 2 win main spots here. Alright, got that. Copy it. 40 spots. We will drop that into random. We have 40 entries, John on the bottom and Bill Carroll up top. Alright guys, 2 dice, 5 or higher. And we have a 10, 10 times, here we go. Top 2, good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 times, dice is a 10. Next click, top 2 win, good luck. And 10. Congrats to John, spot 14, and John, spot 31. You guys are the winners. You each get 2 spots in the main. We are done. 1143. We will type done. We are done. 1143. 1143. And here is verification and timestamp.